Hello everyone. So today we are going to integrate this spaceship project that we were working on into the infinite world generation project. So here this world you see is generated in the runtime, and as we navigate through the world, the terrain will be generated infinitely along with the foliage. So we already had this jetpack enabled character integrated into the project. Now today we are going to integrate the spaceship as well. So here, let me demonstrate. We can take control of the spaceship and start engines and take off. So now we can travel through world as we like. So as we move forward in the world, terrain will be generated in forward area. So we can obscure the limit where the terrain is generated by using things like fog, but to keep it visible, I haven't done much of things to mask the limit of the terrain, but you can see they are being added as we move forward. So, and also even when we are flying around, we can take control. So open and take back control to the character. Now here we can just exit and yeah, now the ship is ready for us, so we can do whatever we need to do on the land. Collect samples, do mining, collect whatever, the trees, flowers, anything. And after that we can just go back to the ship. So yeah, this is what we are going to work on today. Alright, let me take back control and fly away. Oh, landing gears was still on. Before we get started, I'd like to remind you that you can download the project files of this project and any other project that I have covered in my channel. To the date, there are over 700 videos, and for each video you can download the project files in the Patreon page. So once you become a member, you can download anything without a limit. Feel free to check it out. That would help me to continue what I do. Okay, so here is my ship demo project, and on the other hand I have opened my unlimited world generation project. So here I have already integrated the jetpack character, but now I want to add the ship as well. So let me first close that, and this is the project location. So let me copy this and shuttle, select the shuttle and migrate. So now when I go to migrate, I have to migrate this third person input as well. That's fine. go give the content project location, folder location of the target project, which is the world generation project. Select and yes. Okay, and also I want to give migrate the character as well, because I did make some changes to the character blueprints also. Okay, that should be good. Now let me open this world generation project. Right, now here if I play, okay, this is what we get. Obviously it was same before. And now how do we integrate the ship? Ship is already here, but it doesn't make sense to have this ship like this in the sky. Therefore here I'm gonna disable randomization, because I want to find a place that I can safely park the ship. So play. And I think over there, let me eject. Okay, I think here it looks like a good enough location. Let me why can't I place it? Okay, let me just place the mesh. So that I can correctly identify the scale. By the way, I think I haven't made. Let's make this movable. Yeah. Okay, like this. So this is -70. I'll copy this value and stop. Right, now let me place the shuttle and paste that value, so it's over there, -70. Now if I let me say wall and simulate, now we get the ship like this, in a location like this, which works fine. So the player also need to be closer to this. Therefore I want to place the player on top of this ship, but it's still outside. So maybe here, but I don't think I have collisions set up. I only have collisions like this. So we can just add collisions. So I manually fixed the collisions. Now it does have collisions. So I can, where is the player start? over here. So let me delete this, and then go back to the ship. Here I'll place the start position like this. Now like this. Okay, save. Now if I play, am I still simulating? Yeah, now play starts here. So we can take control and fly, but still we have some stuff to do, because we have programmed the system, the world generation system, to access the location of the player character, and then based on that it regenerate the world. But I don't think in this case that happens. We can easily test that, because this now the player character is in place of a character, we have a player pawn. So which is this ship? Let me select it and go to top mode, move it here. See, it does not regenerate. So the reason is what I explained. So to fix this, we will have to go to world generator. I think this get player location is implemented in C++. Let's open the parent class of the world generator. Blueprint. Here, this one, get player location. Let me go to the definition. Here it checks if we do have a player character. If yes, return that. If not, return 0. Now we also need to check F4. Suggestions are not loading because this IntelliSense is still updating. Looks like it's taking forever to load. So let me just type this. Here the same thing as I remember, but instead of character it should be 4. And just like here, if player pawn is valid, then we can return player pawn's location. Right, now if I go back to the project and compile. Okay, compiled. Now let's test. Oh wait, I stepped off before the word is generated. Why is it different now? Oh, I think this was changed after the compilation. Yeah. Still no. Okay, let's just simulate and find the correct location. So another location that works. this place would work. Okay, this location works. Copy and stop and paste. I forgot to remember the rotation. Delete the starting point and add it here. Okay, trees are coming here. So this place would work because there is less chance that trees would grow here. Anyway, I'm not planning to start on the ground. Yeah, so we should be starting in the sky, but for now I don't have a system to start with the ship running, so we have to create it this way. Okay, 257 and this location. $57 and the place start placed here. Now save everything and play. Wait, why did play start here? Oh, it's somewhere over here. Okay, no problem. Alright, so this should work. Now here is the world generated. Let's start controlling the ship. I should add some sound effects. Okay, this is slow, so let me eject, select the ship, go to top view and move the ship. So now you see the land is generated around the ship. Great. Is it not updating? Alright, I just remembered the issue that it's here. So when we spawn tiles around player, here we have this blueprint function get tiles indices around player. So this function here I only consider player character. So we need to consider the case where we don't have a character and a pawn. So this is a function lock. If not, let's try get player pawn and is valid. So here we are using a location. I'll add a local variable location and type of vector. So if this is valid, I'll get that location and set location. With that. If not, let's check if we have a pawn. Then similarly, if valid, I'll set the location with the pawn. And if not, I'll return this. Otherwise, we can return a value, but here I'll use the location and split. Now x, this is the x we need to use, and this is y we need to use. Okay, now it should work. Well, actually, now that I have done it here, it would have been better. Yeah, we don't really need to worry about any of these things. We could just use the blueprint function, C++ function, get player location. Yeah, this should have been so much easier. So we are totally relying on the C++ function only for this case. Right, now I don't even need this, and function is much simpler. Okay, let's try now. For testing, I enabled this to process. Yeah, that's right. Now it should work. Okay, now we see tiles are generated as we move forward. See? New tiles added. So we do have an infinite landscape now. Okay, and also we can stop while we are in the air and open this and exit. Do whatever the thing that we need to do in the land. Here we have our ship, so we can fly away. take back control, close. Oh, what's wrong with this? Alright, so that's all I wanted to do for today. So thanks for watching. As always, updated project files will be available for the download in the Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of Patreon Club. See you in another episode. Goodbye.